So what happens on TikTok lately? People make videos, whether they have TikTok shops or they affiliate for someone. And in those videos, they're just reviewing certain products, right? Whenever someone makes a purchase, they get the money for it. You've probably seen these, for example, Amazon finds. And of course, TikTok made me buy it. And these are all the videos that people make in order to just move the traffic elsewhere, hence to get some money for maybe Amazon affiliate marketing, or they're just running affiliate marketing through TikTok affiliate TikTok shops, you know? And why this became possible? Well, it's because of this, social commerce. A lot of people nowadays, especially Gen Z and all of that, are shopping through social media, and this removes any friction, you know? Before, people had to go over and they had to see certain video and then they just have to move over to another website and they just have to go to the checkout phase, whatever. Now this cuts down the time from the video. You're already in the checkout, you know? So they get the chance to like play on people's instincts, right? To get more money with it, of course. As they say it right here, this is the modern mall, time to open up a shop. But today, we're not gonna open up any shops. Today, I'm gonna show you why this is not so good, because in order to make a video like this one, let's say, sorry for the sound, I'll just turn it off. So in order to make these videos, you have to have these products at your own home. Otherwise, you have to buy them, and then you have to record the video yourself. And then, of course, you will have to make yourself a TikTok profile, and then from there will be a simple link in the bio. Now, we're still gonna leave this option, but we don't have to make these videos ourselves, all right? And this is why. There's a website which is called ViralEcomAdz, and they've got this TikTok shop split test and package. Because the bread and butter of all of your strategy on TikTok is to have good creatives, right? That's a thing that makes people stop their scroll, right? That's how you convert the customers. Now, this is the company that I've been using for years now. And these people are using proven to convert video ads. The videos from this package are created using a proven strategy that the owners of the company have personally used to scale their own brand on TikTok shop. Now, the owners of this company are very active in the e-commerce place, and they're constantly updating these packages to match the rules and trends on TikTok. Now, let's say that you want to order this one here. You've got like these quantity numbers, so you can just go with 1, 3, 5 to 10. And it's very easy to order these, right? As you can see, you've got delivery in 1 to 3 business days. And if they don't deliver within that time frame, they'll give you a refund or you'll just get them free. So what do you have to do? You just have to place your order by clicking on this Buy It Now button. As you can see, just order, place your order, and then just deal with the submission form that you're going to get on your email. So in the form, they will ask you what your product link is, what your website link is, what kind of narrative you might want to go for, and then you receive these videos, right? If you're not happy with them, you get your revisions, and then as soon as they revise in the way how you want them to be, then you can start using your videos. I'm gonna go over real quick and I'm gonna show you some of these videos. So for example, let's just go with this one for the pets. So I'm just gonna click on this. As you can see, it's a really simple. I'm just gonna stop this. Really simple, and you don't have to order the products yourself. Let me just show you one more. I can see them brighter days. I can see the sun breaking through. Now this one is really good. It has a certain wow factor. You know, this one I can see is already selling a lot just because of this wow factor, right? It's done really nicely. Now, honestly, the way you should do this one, first of all, there's a link down there in the description. And if you order this one, for example, like these 5 packages, you'll get 5 videos for one product, and you should post 1 video per day for 5 days on your TikTok account, and then of course link that to your TikTok shop or whatever. And if you get sales with this one, I really recommend that you go and reinvest again into this platform. So just take a portion of that money and go back to the website and purchase another package and just repeat the process all over again. Post once a day for 5 days. Now, most surely it's going to happen that you're going to receive these sales every day. Now, at this stage, it's only natural that you go and explore the VIP membership. You can see here, VIP members get this for $17.5, and you save a lot of money. Actually, it's 75% off, and you do get 1-day delivery, so 24-hour delivery. Down there, you can see that it is $50 per month, and honestly, I've been selling with them a lot, and this VIP membership saves you money as well. So, say goodbye to creating these creatives yourself. Just let these pros do it for you. Save time, save money, and get a lot of conversions. So that's about it. ViralEcomAdz. Remember, the named link is down there, and I wish you good luck. I'll catch you in the next one.